Hello, in this video I will be examining the CHT Value Chart indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
indicator helps us by filtering out the trend from the market, allowing us to better identify overbought and oversold areas in a trendless market. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator. The more we increase this value, the more we will see the trend's impact in the indicator. And the less we set this value, the less we will see the trend's impact. For example, I will set this value to the base. You can see that we observe the trend's impact more on the chart. There are two other options in the input where we can set the colors for bullish and bearish candles. We can also choose the overbought and oversold zones, according to the optimization we perform for the symbol we are trading on. Starting from -6 for oversold, -8, -10, -12, -12, and for each of these levels, we can use the one that is better for the asset we are trading on. For the overbought zones, the levels are 6, 8, 10, and 12. We will test them live and see this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is known for its reliability and popularity among traders. You will see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform, demonstrating its effectiveness and accuracy in real-time market conditions. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.